Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Zimbabwe's Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga says no individual or government contract is above the law. He is calling for stronger institutions and a political will to fix issues in Zimbabwe's public procurement system. Chiwenga said the main problems in public buying aren't technical. He listed abuse of direct contracts, conflicts of interest, and excluding the public from decision-making as key challenges. He blamed these issues on weak institutions and a lack of commitment from leaders to enforce the rules. Without effective compliance systems, even the best legal frameworks and modern technology will fail in practice, Vice President Chiwenga said. He reaffirmed Zimbabwe's commitment to transparency and accountability, adding no individual should be above the law. No procurement process should be beyond scrutiny. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.